Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. If you've ever made a cutting board and you have a joint that didn't fit together exactly right, I'm going to show you a quick way to fix that. Now, this particular cutting board is end grain, a checkerboard pattern you can see here. And right here is a joint that didn't fit together all the way. You can see that little crack right there. I'm going to show you how to fix that with some quick set 2-part epoxy and your random orbital sander. Alright, we've got our epoxy mixed up here, and we'll take and we'll put some right over this little void here and try to get as little as possible on the rest of the wood. Just get it right in that joint. The next thing you want to do is remove the disc from your random orbit sander and turn it to where you're intentionally covering up the dust collection holes. That way, all of the dust will stay on your cutting board. Once this is set a couple of minutes, it should be a little bit tacky. That means it's time for us to sand over this, and hopefully it will fill this with the dust that it brings off of the board. And there you can see after the sanding was done, our crack is filled and should be good to go. Now the epoxy I used has a 5-minute set time, so I gave it about 3 minutes before I did the sanding. That way it would get good and tacky to hold the dust. If you want to see a video of us building one of these end-grain cutting boards from start to finish, including the finished product, this one hasn't been finished yet, click right here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our content. And remember, happy woodworking.